If you need to change your GoDaddy email password, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your email password quickly and safely so you can get back into your inbox without any confusion. This is especially helpful if you forgot your current password, need to secure your account, or just want to refresh your login details. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy. Once the site loads, sign into your account using the email and password connected to your GoDaddy services. If you manage more than one account, double check that you're logging into the correct one so you can find the right email settings. After you're signed in, look for the My Products section. This is where GoDaddy keeps your hosting, domains, and email services in one place. Click on My Products to continue. Next, find the web hosting section. Under that area, you should see a Manage button. Click Manage to open the hosting controls linked to your account. This step is important because the email accounts are usually managed through your hosting dashboard and cPanel. Once the hosting page opens, look for the option to open cPanel. cPanel is where many of the email management tools are located, including password changes. Click Open cPanel and wait for it to load. After cPanel opens, find the email section. Inside that section, click Email Accounts. This page shows all of the email addresses connected to your GoDaddy hosting plan. Now look through the list and find the email account whose password you want to change. If you have multiple addresses, take your time and make sure you choose the correct one. Once you find it, click Manage next to that email account. On the management screen, you'll see the password settings for that mailbox. Here, you have two options. You can manually enter a new password of your choice, or you can click Generate to have GoDaddy create a strong password for you automatically. If you choose your own password, make sure it's strong, unique, and something you can remember or store securely. If you use the generated password option, copy it somewhere safe before moving forward. After the new password is entered, click Update Email Settings or Save, depending on what button appears on your screen. This will apply the new password to your email account. Once the update is complete, your email password has officially been changed. If you use that email on your phone email app or desktop mail client, you may need to sign in again with the new password. So if your inbox suddenly stops syncing, that is usually the reason. Just update the saved password on your devices and everything should work again. And that's it. You've successfully changed your GoDaddy email password. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.